moving on to the 2-beat crossover. You've tried crossing over with both at the same time. What we're going to do now is exactly the same trick, but with a different timing. So instead of getting both of your poise spinning together, what we call same time, we're now going to spin them one then the other. This is just like riding a bike. This is called split time, because it's always going to be one poi and then the other, right, left, right, left, right, left. Just like your feet travel around when you're pedaling a bicycle. Once you've got this going, making sure that they're nice and parallel still in our wheel plane, we're just going to see if we can do that same crossover. But it will be staggered this time, one hand, then the other. I'm going to go right and then left. Here we go. Right, left, and then back into our split time next to our legs. Try again. Right, left, come back. Once you've tried it with one hand going first, try the opposite. It will probably be a bit trickier. So this time I'm going to go left, right, and come back again. We're just doing it once, and then settling back into our wheel plane circles. Once you've got that, we can see if we can do 2 or more in a row. So we just cross over, and then come back. But we're continuously going in and out of the crossover. Notice it's my right hand that's going first. Right, left, each time. Once you've done that, you can do the other side. So we're going left, right, continuously. So your hands are continuously going from one side to the other, and back again. Left, right. That is our split time crossover. Remember, each step, pause the video and have a practice.